everybody, this is Jason and welcome to Hello RC. Tonight I've got the SCX6 on the bench, getting ready to do some upgrades because recently we were approached by a nice gentleman from a company called Venka Racing. They make CNC machined aluminum parts for the SCX6. These have been out for a couple months. I think they started making them, and they were nice enough to send us these, and seen some of our videos on YouTube and thought that we would be a good channel to try some of these parts out on our SCX6 on our awesome Crawler County crawler course. So thank you, Venka Racing, for giving me this opportunity to try these awesome looking parts. So here's what they sent me. These parts look like they're super high quality, great looking parts, but we've got the rear shock towers. We've got an aluminum servo arm. We've got our rear bumper mount, a front bumper mount, the front body braces, or body mounts. We've got our hubs and knuckles. We've got the front shock towers, and then a machined brass diff cover. So these are all very nice looking parts. Anodized black chamfered edges, got their logo etched on all of them. They look pretty good, so I can't wait to get them bolted on here and take it out to the crawler course and try them out. Alright, so here we go. I got everything all bolted on, finished up, ready to go. Had absolutely no issues with any of these parts. Everything bolted on absolutely perfectly, and everything looks great, high quality. Can't wait to try it out. I'm out here at our backyard crawler course, Crawler County, and I'm going to put this thing through its paces. But before I go, I want to thank Venka Racing again for sending these parts to try out on our crawler course. So if anybody's interested in where to get these parts, I will leave a link in the description, and make sure you let them know that Hello RC sent you. I'm not going to talk anymore during this video. I'm going to let the truck do its job and speak for itself. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go.